I think that's good. I think that looks good.
You're ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Here we go.
All right, you're gonna have a beautiful summer t-shirt.
Oh my gosh, look at the color.
I'm gonna make it so nice. I saw this on TikTok.
That yellow
my
is
God.
amazing.
It's so intense.
Okay.
Let's go with a little bit of green right here.
I'm so excited.
I feel like this is a summer color.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, yes. Okay.
This is amazing.
I kind of feel like I want to give you a little bit more pink, so we're gonna go right here.
No way.
It's so nice.
Oh, it's kind of cold. It feels like
Is
getting
it?
like an airbrush tattoo.
All right, we're gonna do the back.
Okay, should I turn around?
Yes, turn around. I want to give you another pattern in the back. So we're gonna do purple. Oh my God, look how intense that color is.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see the back.
Oh my God, you're gonna love it. Okay, more green.
Where did you learn this?
Here.
Did you see this online?
I saw this on TikTok and I feel like everybody has been doing it. So
Oh my gosh.
I really want to try it out, but
That's
it's
so
looking
cool.
amazing. Okay, I'm gonna give you a yellow color right here.
Oh, that feels awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
Look how that color blends. That is so cool. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with some red. Actually, I haven't given you any red, so ready? Oh my God, that's so pretty.
Is it?
Oh,
I can't
you're
wait to
gonna
see it.
love it. And just more pink over here to give it a little bit of shadowing. Look at how the colors mix.
Does it blend really well?
Zara, you're gonna be obsessed with this
I'm
t-shirt.
excited.
And do a little bit more right here. All right. And then I kind of want to do the front again, so turn back around.
Okay. I'm really inspired by that sunset behind us. Can we get a little bit of red here, maybe?
A little bit of red.
Yes, to match the sunset behind us. Oh, yeah.
I'm going to do a whole
that's so beautiful.
color right here. Oh my God, look how pretty. And
I'm
then
excited.
let's mix it with some pink, because I feel like the sunset, look.
This is like giving me Valentine's Day vibes, and this is like sunset, sunrise.
Look at this purple, watch. Right?
Oh my gosh.
A little bit right here. We'll do a little bit right here. And then we're going to go in with some more red down here.
Oh, that's so cool. And so underneath, all you did was put aluminum foil, right?
Yes, we did little balls of aluminum foil.
That's so cool.
It's super easy. Let's blend in some more green.
Oh, yeah. We've got Valentine's Day over here, Christmas over here, sunset over here. I love it.
We're going to do
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So the middle is a different color from the rest.
Yes.
That's
Okay,
awesome.
you're only missing 2 little dots right here.
We're almost done?
And we're almost done, almost at the end, and right here.
Okay.
Okay, I feel like you're ready.
I can start taking it out now?
Yes, we're going to start taking it out slowly,
Okay.
one by one. There you go.
Oh my gosh. There we go.
That's one right there. And then don't open it.
Okay, okay.
We're going to wait for the
There's
end.
going to be a big reveal.
We're gonna
Okay.
do a reveal at the end and see it all
so
together.
we're going to do this side.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my
it's
God,
looking
look
so
how
cool.
pretty.
Okay. All right.
there's
And then
one
there's
more
one more
there.
here, right? Do you want to get that one?
I'm going to get this one for
Okay,
you
cool.
right here.
Okay, I'm going to turn around now and you're going to get the back, right?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
All right.
Look at those colors.
I know.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. And I did different patterns so we can see all of
I
it.
can't wait.
All right. And one more here.
So I just shake out the aluminum
Ready?
foils now. How is that?
Wow, it's so pretty.
It's
I can't
beautiful.
wait.
Should we see the front?
Let's see the front.
Wow. Is it cool?
It's so nice. Look at all
Oh
the
my
different
gosh,
colors.
look at that.